Abu Trica has sued 5 people. And you know, say as I can't sit here, they can't give you the in-totals, the mixed totals, and the ex-totals. Let's go straight into the story. My cry, go straight. Abu Trica has sued. This is what he's saying. Minister of Interior, Narcotics Control, FBI, EOCO, and the Attorney General. 5 people. Abu Trica. Now, what does Abu Trica say? One day he was in his airport residence and 15 persons armed entered his house. And when they entered his house, they were like, Charlie, you're under arrest. They showed him the arrest warrant. And he said, okay, if you showed me the arrest warrant, why? Let me speak to my lawyer. And they said, shut up. Not let you speak to my lawyer. He said, this is Abu Trica. They said they used the gun to hit his mouth. Now, Abu Trica, the suing that he has sued these people, I'm summarizing everything in the suit for you. I'm doing that for you. A bad thing, so we have to summarize it for you. So he was handcuffed. Then the Nacco people and the EOCO people took him to the office. According to Abu Trica, they didn't give him food, they didn't give him water, they deprived him. The Nacco, the EOCO, and the Attorney General's people that came to his house that night, they seized his iPhone, his iPhone 7, his watch, and 3 of his cars. Now, according to Abu Trica, these 3 cars were his Mercedes-Benz, Lamborghini, and Cybertruck. Now, Abu Trica is also saying that these cars are not for him. They are for people which are faulty, and the people said that he should fix the cars for them and sell it. That is what Abu Trica is saying. They didn't listen to Abu Trica. They didn't let him talk. They deprived him of a lawyer, and then they locked him in a separate room from his friends. So his friends they arrested him and 2 of his friends. So 2 friends were in a separate room. He was also in a separate room. Now Abu Trica said that when he was in that room, 2 FBI agents came and they were like, hey, my name is this and so I'm an FBI agent, and they were intimidating him. And I should sign this document. He should do this. He should do that. And Abu Trica is saying that he go school plenty to read and write giddy like that. So as them bring him document say he should sign, he was finding it difficult because he can't even read. So that moment he asked to speak to his lawyer. They deprived him of his lawyer and they forced him to sign. They said, if you don't sign so and so and so and so, hey, you did this transaction at this place, then you did this, you did that. So he said they forced him, but he said that he didn't know what he was even reading. So he wanted his lawyer. He asked for his lawyer. They didn't give him lawyer. So on 12th December, they told Abu Trica that they are taking him to court. And he's like, Charlie, you are taking me to court. Let me call my lawyer. I beg you. And they said that, it's not any serious thing. Now then, this one, they just, as they've arrested you, they want to take you to the court and let the court know that, they gave you the arrest warrant and they've arrested you, they brought you back to court. And he said, what's up? Make a talk to my lawyer. And they said, okay. They gave him the opportunity to talk to his lawyer. So when they got to court, the judge asked Abu Trica that, why are his lawyers? And he said that, his lawyers are on their way, coming. And the judge said, if that's the case, Charlie, let's adjourn the case so that next time you can come with your lawyers. Mind you, all this while that Abu Trica was arrested, he wasn't having a phone. So he didn't know what was going on social media. He didn't know that he has been posted on social media. He didn't know that, Charlie, his videos were everywhere. People were talking about him. He didn't know all these things. So Abu Trica's family reached out to Abu Trica and told him that actually the EOCO and the Nacco people and the Attorney General's people, they have come to your mansion at Swedro. They have come to boss search. They have taken things and they've gone. They've seized your cars. They've taken your cars too. They've taken things and they've left. And Abu Trica say, really? Did they do that? I wasn't there. I didn't come with them. And they came to the house to come and boss search. So they searched Abu Trica's house without his consent and even without him being present. His family members also told Abu Trica that EOCO are spoiling your name in the public. They said you are a notorious cyber crime. Now, let me read exactly that particular part for you. Like I said, I'm summarizing everything that is there for you, that is in the suit, so that we can go forward fast. Let me read what Abu Trica posted. He said that in the said publications, this was when EOCO made a publication, said that they've caught Abu Trica those things. That was when it was confirmed that Abu Trica has really been taken by the EOCO. And his family members reached out to him and said, actually, the EOCO people didn't spoil your name. So this is what he said. That he said in the publications, I was described as a notorious cyber criminal and was publicly portrayed as being involved in a large-scale criminal activities and fraud, notwithstanding that I had not been tried or convicted by any count or competent jurisdiction. That I am further informed that the said publication stated I was part of a criminal network and that I would be extradited to the United States of America to face criminal charges, thereby presenting the allegations against me as established facts rather than matters to be determined by the court of law. Exactly. So EOCO, he had not even been on, he had not been tried, he has not been convicted that, oh, I did this thing, Abu Trica did this. No, EOCO can bring communication, say Abu Trica is a criminal, cyber criminal, and they've caught him and they extradite him to the USA. But there was no evidence to prove, say, oh, Abu Trica has done this, has done that. They had not gone to court and court has passed judgment. So they were spoiling his name. All this time, Abu Trica didn't know that this was what was going on. So his family members told him this. Mind you, when Abu Trica was arrested, they recorded him without his consent. You know, it's a crime. They recorded Abu Trica without his consent. So his family members told him about it. Say, actually, your pictures they online, they whole handcuff you, you dey back, and then and the family members told him that it is the EOCO people, the Nacco people, and Attorney General people. It is them, one of them, or it is them who are responsible for these things that are going on. So while Abu Trica was there, they were giving him the information. Abu Trica said that they have tarnished this image badly. He even dropped comments, videos that was posted on social media about him, and comments that people were saying, "My survivor will still survive on God. Oga, may them free that guy, Jerry." You know, he added it in his suit. The comments that people were passing on social media about him, they added it in his suit. When he was, when he's suing them, he added it in his, Abu Trica is suing these 5 people: the Attorney General, the FBI, then EOCO, Nacco, and the Ministry of Interior. He's suing them for invading his property without consent, interrogation without counsel, and tarnishing his image. His devices and phones were seized. They took his phones. They asked him for password. They said you should mention his password. They want They did so many things without Abu Trica's consent so that they can based on those things and arrest him, or they can use those things to extradite him. Say, for example, they go into his house without his consent. They just wanted to go and see if they will see something, and they go use that thing to hey, this be the case. Then they go extradite you, according to Abu Trica. Abu Trica is saying that the court should restrain an order from the extradition. They shouldn't extradite him. Now, they have done so many things that as he has presented to the court, he wants the court to look into this matter. This information that Abu Trica has brought, which I am saying, these things that he has brought, he wants the court to make them hold on it. That extradition that they want to extradite him to the USA, and then we'll go and do this. He said the court should make them hold on and let them solve this particular matter. The things that he has brought to the court, he wants the court to look into it. Now, if they don't look into it and they extradite him, and he knows that, or conquered, if he goes to court, the case might be mania. It will not go anywhere. Abu Trica is saying that he wants justice for what they did to him. They have disgraced him. They have tarnished his image. Now the court to look into the matter. He has also provided evidence. And she's saying that the court should stop the extradition process. Abu Trica says that he has anxiety. Like, after what happened to him, when he's there, then he starts to beat. Hey, he's depressed, he's stressed. Things are going on in his life. Let me read. This one is 60. Said that I continue to suffer anxiety, distress, and uncertainty arising from respondent actions and ongoing publicity surrounding the allegations against me. They've spot his name. So he said that the court should do something about it. Now, Abu Trica is saying that, one, they did a mistake, and the court should make them understand that, and he should declare that. He should let them declare that his detention and arrest from 11th December was unconstitutional. He's also saying that the interrogation and questioning without his lawyers was also unconstitutional. He's also saying that they should declare that the detention was unconstitutional and violation of his rights. He said that the conduct of the FBI didn't have the right to interrogate him directly. It is unconstitutional. the FBI didn't have the right to interrogate him in this jurisdiction. It's just like saying that the Ghana police should, or the BNI should go and interrogate somebody in the USA. No, they have people there who do that job. When they bring you into your jurisdiction, then what they do, the interrogation in your jurisdiction. So he's saying that one is what, unconstitutional. So they should declare, the people should declare that they did them. This is what they did. Abu Trica is saying that the signature on documents, passwords they made him give, was unconstitutional. They forced him to do it. So it was what? Unconstitutional. They searched his house. They did all this without his knowledge. It is what? Unconstitutional. The videos they posted on social media without his knowledge. It is unconstitutional. After all this, the court should tell them that any electronic device or whatever they did or went to take from Abu Trica's house, the court should declare as inadmissible. Now, inadmissible is like when you take something to court for evidence, they'll say that no, do not add it as evidence. Because what, they went to Abu Trica's house without his knowledge. They searched without his knowledge. What if they rather went to plan the thing? I'm not saying they did that, but he's supposed to be there. Then you see that, oh, okay, you were in the house and we found this in your house. You can't say that I went to your house and I went to find this in your house. What if it is not true? So he's saying that the court should make that inadmissible. Whatever they went to take in his house, the court should make it what? Inadmissible. The court should also say that they can't investigate, arrest, or detain Abu Trica. So he's saying that the court should bring an injunction on that for them to finish this particular case before they can what? Continue. He said that the court should also restrain these 5 people, EOCO, FBI, Ministry of Interior, Nacco, and Attorney General, from extraditing him till the suit has been finished. Like what I said, till they have finished the case that he has been taken to court. Now, Abu Trica in all is saying that these people should compensate him 10 million Ghana cedis because they have violated his rights. So this is the in total and the mixed total of the story. The whole thing that you see. I have basically summarized it for you. You know that is what I do here. I'll summarize it for you. Make it simple for a layman. My name is Kwabena Liquid. This is why Abu Trica is trending. Abu Trica has sued these 5 people. The FBI, the NACOC, EOCO, Ministry of Interior, and Attorney General. He has sued them for 10 million Ghana cedis for infringing on his rights or depriving him of his, they violated his rights. Let me use that word. My name is Kwabena Liquid. Subscribe to this channel, turn on the post notifications so that when we post a video, you will get the notification. This is the details on Abu Trica. You can watch full videos on our social media platforms and follow us on all social media platforms. I'm out. Peace.